Hello and welcome to today's 2-minute tutorial. I'm back in grid layout today and I want to just describe some of the differences between the grid layout style and the standard layout style. We've seen already that we can drag buttons around on our cue sheet by dragging the tag section, or I can drag over another button tag section and swap or move or copy buttons like that. But what if you've got halfway through your project and you've decided you've run out of space? I've just got a couple of spare grid positions here, but I've got a main playout cue sheet and I've got a second cue sheet in this project which I've got some band tracks which I am going to use for my show. But I need to add some additional cues and I want to add them to this main playout cue sheet. So I could either go to project options and cue sheet layout and add some additional rows or columns here. Slightly quicker way of achieving the same thing would be to go to cue sheet layout, and so we'll dial in another 2 rows here. If we click done to that, you'll see that Trigger's added 2 new blank rows of button positions on my grid layout here, and likewise it's done the same on the second cue sheet. But notice that the layout stays consistent. It's still laid out neatly as I had originally planned, and no buttons have been shuffled between cue sheets. Each cue sheet is discrete in its own right, so whether you add buttons or delete them, they never get wrapped between different cue sheets, so it keeps your essential project style neat and tidy throughout. Okay, that concludes today's 2-minute tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed watching and you'll join me next time.